Well, we're still dealing with a little bit of Friday morning rain here across the Tennessee Valley. It's gradually moving eastward, and I can say the western side of the Tennessee Valley probably going to start to dry out and stay that way for the rest of this Friday. But areas mainly along and east of I-65 still dealing with a little bit of rain out there. But like I said, it's gradually going to push eastward, and probably by the afternoon, majority of us going to be dry. So here's the rain that we're dealing with right now. Seeing a little bit of light to moderate rainfall in Coleman, Arab seeing some rain along Highway 231, Arab, Lindsay Lane, Albertville definitely seeing some heavy rainfall, as well as Douglas, and headed into DeKalb County. Fort Payne, you're dry right now, as well as Rainsville, but Galesville starting to see some rain move through. Now for the past 24 hours, not a whole lot of rainfall has fallen, and we're going to start to dry out because this cold front has pushed through and will continue to do so, and we should be not dealing with it anymore heading into the afternoon. Notice high pressure back behind that cold front, which is what brought the rain today. That's going to move in, and that's going to keep us sunny and dry for much of this weekend. So we're just going to continue to deal with cloud cover here. This is outside of the Fox 54 studio, but clouds will eventually start to break heading into the afternoon, and we'll be seeing some sunshine later today. Temperatures right now, upper 60s, low 70s, 70 degrees right now in Florence, 68 in Russellville, 69 right now in Pulaski, 70 in Athens, Decatur, Huntsville, Arab, Coleman seeing 73 degrees, Fort Payne and Scottsboro also right at 70 degrees. So for the next 12 hours, temperatures really not going to move much between where we're sitting now and our forecasted high just due to the cloud cover, but you can't expect to see temperatures get near or at the mid 70s for this afternoon. And like I said, as that cold front drags through the area, it's going to take the cloud cover with it, and we'll be seeing some sunshine heading into the afternoon, and of course a little bit before sunset. Looks like we will be dealing with mostly sunshine. Now we'll continue to clear out for the rest of tonight and into early Saturday morning, and that's going to leave us waking up to plenty of sunshine for tomorrow. So rain chances for the next 7 days, we're going to start a little bit of a drying out for tomorrow especially. Now there's about a 30% chance of rain heading into Sunday, but it's not going to be widespread. In fact, most of us probably going to stay dry. So if we're lucky enough, for some of you out there, you'll see 2 full dry days for this weekend. And then it looks like Monday and Tuesday, no rain in the forecast there either. But once we head into the back half of this upcoming week, a 50% chance heading into Thursday and about a 40% chance this time next week. So here's heading into the afternoon, right around 2 o'clock, we're going to start to see those clouds break a little bit. And of course, heading into around 3 o'clock, probably going to be seeing some sunshine there as well. Friday for the heading home commute, probably going to be dry there as well. Tonight looks to be a nice night out there, just a few clouds in the sky. And like I said, heading into our Saturday, you're not really seeing a whole lot on our future cast, except for the time moving. That's because we're expected to see plenty of sunshine. Now, there could be a few high clouds out there, but a majority of that isn't going to block the sun by any means. So like I said, continue to expect to see mostly sunshine for your Saturday, and that will carry over into your Sunday as well. So your 7-day forecast has us in the mid and upper 70s. Once again, for this afternoon, rain will start to taper off heading closer to the lunchtime hours, and we should be dry by the afternoon. The low 80s return heading into the weekend. Saturday, expect to see mostly sunshine. We'll continue to see some sunshine heading into Sunday, but there is about a 30% chance to see rain and potentially a few thunderstorms develop. And then looking into the early part of next week, we'll be seeing sunshine there as well. Notice those temperatures going to climb on up there, mid 80s heading into Monday. Mostly sunshine that carries over into Tuesday. Tuesday, our forecasted high is just 2 degrees shy of 90 degrees. I'm not expecting us to see a 90-degree day just quite yet here, but those days will be coming pretty soon. We'll keep the upper 80s in the forecast for the middle of next week and into the back half of next week as well. 20% chance of rain heading into next Wednesday. Still going to be seeing some sunshine there though, and looking ahead into this time next week, we'll be dealing with, it looks like, the upper 80s. Once again, about a 50% chance of rain and a few thunderstorms expect to develop there as well.